Making these trends videos on digital marketing has always been the norm. But the only difference is from a point in time where AI was one of the trend. But the only difference is from a point in time where AI was one of the trends in digital marketing to discussing trends within AI is a big move, I would say. This does not encapsulate all the trends, and I cannot obviously we cannot predict like Nostradamus about what can happen in AI. But here are four trends which are catching up like wildfire and constantly and consistently innovating, providing solutions to businesses and marketers that they may have never heard before. So, without any delay, here are four trends to watch out in AI in 2024 and beyond. First things first. What do you think about hyper-personalization? Yeah, we all know what hyper-personalization is. It is about personalizing ads or campaigns or content at scale, right? So you make sure you segment your audiences. You have 100,000 audiences that you would want to reach out to per segment, and you create your ads to reach out to these people in such a way that your ad appeals to each one of the 100,000 people, the segment, right? But here is a twist. With the emerging trends, hyper-personalization is getting a makeover. When I talk about a makeover, I mean not just showing tailor-made campaigns and emails to people, but we're also talking about how you can use innovative methods, redefine the customer experience across all the touch points in the journey, right? Think on the lines of dynamic content optimization. Now, we all knew that, right? Using platforms like HubSpot, you can go ahead and set up dynamic content on dynamic web pages where you can customize what content they see on the website based upon the location that they're coming from or their past behaviors, etc. Now, using these past behaviors, analyzing purchase behaviors, analyzing user browsing history is not something new, but think about bringing those technologies, bringing those aspects of personalization. And how about leveraging email campaigns that exactly appeal to what you want to sell to people based upon their behaviors? It could be somebody who has read about a product, who has gone to Amazon, browsed the product section, but did nothing. But a few minutes later, he receives an email saying that there's a 10% discount on the product that he was about to check out for. Isn't that a wow experience? I would have definitely fell for that. I would have definitely fallen for that, right? Now, there is no better business than Sephora when it comes to sending personalized emails and with a twist to it. So I have pulled up an email for your understanding just to show you how emails from Sephora look like. What emails from Sephora look like. So here is something that I have put together. Here is something that I'm bringing to you. Now, this is an email from Sephora. Welcome to Sephora. We are so thrilled you have joined us, Roger. We'll be here for the next few emails. We'll be here for the next few emails to help you take it all in, right? Then here are a few ways to win on Sephora.com. They're not even talking about selling anything, right? They're just talking about how you can win on Sephora. Now, if I'm trying to give you an offer, it's a one-time thing. But if I'm showing you how to win with offers on Sephora, it's a lifelong thing, right? It's a lifetime thing. As long as you're going to be a customer of Sephora, you're going to indulge in this activity. Now, then you have a section where they talk about 4 products in this particular email. Now, I'm not surprised if these were the emails that Sephora identified based upon the users or visitors' browsing behavior. Now, using those behaviors, they have used all the data points possible to collate that and craft some offers which appeal to the users, because these are exactly what they were searching for. And it is not just coming to you in terms of an ad, but it is going to them as an emailer, which is all the reason for them to go ahead and indulge in the self-indulgence. The second trend that I'm very thrilled to talk to you about is Predictive Analytics 2.0. Now, Predictive Analytics means that using certain behaviors, data points, analyze lots of data, AI systems AI systems on any of the activities, whether it's your paid ads, whether it is social media, whether it is email marketing, is going to tell you is going to predict and tell you what could happen at this rate and what are the chances of conversion. And it goes ahead and allocates resources, budgets, etc., to make sure where the chances of conversion are high. But 2.0, or the advanced predictive analytics that we're talking about, doesn't stop there. What it does is that it collates all the data points, user behaviors, and it pinpoints accurately where your next lead could come from. Right? Think about Adobe for that matter. Adobe has a lot of content that it generates and posts online. It has a lot of ad campaigns that run online. And using all the behaviors, using all the data points that they can get their hands on, they craft targeted emails in such a way, they craft targeted emails and ad campaigns in such a way that the predictive analytics or the predictive tools will go ahead and tell Adobe where the next sure shot conversion can come from with pinpoint accuracy. Well, not literally, there is nothing 100% guaranteed online, but they are in a better position to go ahead based upon the content that people browse on the Adobe website or the downloads that they engage in terms of white papers or free guides. They know for sure where the next conversion can come from with a lot of probability, and that is where they will invest their budgets, time, and resources. The third thing is marketing automation. Again, what do we know about marketing automation? We know that automation is about automating certain tasks that we do day in, day out, so that we don't have to do that anymore, right? So typical marketing automation workflows have been things like email nurturing workflows, welcome emails, increasing and decreasing budgets on certain conditions. Now these, to me, seem to be like a thing of the past compared to what automation can do today. Okay, what can automation do today? Let's take the example of Adidas. Adidas analyzes all the social media conversations happening online. They segment the conversations based upon certain criteria. Once you have these criteria, the automation systems can help them go ahead and analyze these conversations in real time, generate content ideas in real time, come up with personalized video ads to address to these segments. Now, I'm already falling for it, right? Now all of this happens automatically. So basically, Adidas looks at conversations on social media, groups them into different segments based upon the nature of the conversations. In real time, they analyze content ideas. They take those content ideas, use AI tools to go ahead and come up with personalized video recommendations. When these go out targeted to those emails as ad campaigns or emails, users are going to be falling for it, right? That's exactly what marketing automation is doing. It is not just automating tasks anymore, it is much more than that. Guess who is the best friend in the digital marketing ecosystem today? You have guessed it right. Chatbots are your best friends, best partners ever in the 2024 world. Let me tell you why. You go online, you browse something, and then you look at what these chatbots are capable of. They remember you, they remember your preferences, they remember the occasion, they kind of help you. They are no longer only FAQs which give you one-sided information. Now these have become like your partners. Now these partners can tell you to come, if you have come onto a pizza delivery website, they remember your previous preferences, or if you're coming for the first time, they will handhold you to go ahead and do anything seamlessly, irrespective of the time of the day, number one. Number two, they are 24/7, which means they never sleep. They go ahead and help you at the middle of the night when you want to surprise your girlfriend for the anniversary or your boyfriend for the anniversary. They may have the perfect gift for you because they guide you step by step to figure out the right gift. Now, the third thing that I really am excited to show you when it comes to chatbot conversations is, as I said, they're your partners. They're not just answering any silly FAQs anymore. They go ahead and take things to the next level by processing your orders, by taking your requests, by processing refunds, by remembering your preferences. Let me tell you what Bank of America does. If you pay attention to your screens, I could not replicate it. I could not go ahead and create, I could not download the app, but I have something which is really interesting for you. Let me show you what I have Let me tell you what I have put together for you. On your screen, we're talking about a chatbot called Erica, where what Erica can do is it can go ahead and get all the answers you need, right? Now, let's see this in action. Let me zoom it for you. Call about my replacement card is the option that somebody has chosen. It automatically responds saying that I can help you with these things right now, or I can connect you with someone, right? It gives you the options. You can choose those options. Very typical of a chatbot, you may think, right? Now, let's scroll below to see some more interesting use cases. It can go ahead and share some insights to share with you. A refund has been posted to your account. Think about how the refunds worked a couple of years ago. You have to constantly follow up with the team. You send an email, it goes to the fresh desk or any of the ticketing system. You receive an automated reply saying that we have received your ticket, please wait. Then they may take 24 hours, 48 hours, depending upon their cycles, and they revert to you with anything else. Now, there's a lot of back and forth involved, right? Now, here, all the pre-screening is done. All the questions are done. All the prerequisites are done. You don't have to give in your information every time. And it simply is telling you that a refund has been posted to your account, right? Now, it also notifies you of any duplicate charges available. These are just examples. I'm not saying that these are the classic use cases. Now then you can review your rewards at any point in time. What happened in the past? You had to call the customer care, be on hold, reach the right team, deal with a customer executive, and you cannot always be assured that they had a good day and they're going to treat you with love and respect. But app has no emotions. Well, it is emotionally charged to give you exactly what you need in the same tone 24/7, right? Now, my personal favorite is this, where you can monitor recurring charges, and if there is any increase in these charges, you can always get notified of them. For example, I noticed your Joe's Gym recurring charge was higher than usual. Now, how many times did we have to go through the difficult task of arguing with the customer care? Calling and waiting is the most difficult part. But Erica removes all those issues, and it just gives you exactly what you need in the way you need in a consistent tone 24/7. That's exactly what chatbots are now today. I am not surprised if they go ahead and evolve even better to give you much better service than any customer service executive can do. Now, look at this. Ideas for putting cash to work. Here are some ideas for saving or reducing debt. And then you can give you the options. You can go ahead and browse. Well, it can become your best friend. Look at what happened with ChatGPT, right? Earlier, we used to go to Google and search for things that we want. Now, Google can only show you things about what has been published on Google or anything that Google has indexed. But ChatGPT is like your partner, right? It is going to think for you. It is going to research for you. It is going to analyze for you. It is going to predict for you. It's become your best friend, right? Now, if you go ahead and share how you emotionally feel, it is going to give you customized results based upon your current situation. Now, chatbots at the best, ChatGPT is also a chatbot, right? Now, when chatbots are so intelligent, so understanding, so capable, I don't see why they would only stop at helping you resolve these basic queries. This is just the beginning. So if you're a business owner, if you're not leveraging on this trend, you're missing out. So happy marketing with AI, and please use these trends and put them to work, research, brainstorm with your teams, motivate your teams to get ahead and have fun. Cheers, my name is Casey. Until next time, ciao.